Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix white screen issue on an LCD TV using easy troubleshooting.
Fix 1. Restart the TV. Step 1. Turn off the TV and unplug it. Step 2. Wait 5 minutes. Step 3. Plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Check HDMI/AV cable. Step 1. Unplug all HDMI/AV cables. Step 2. Clean the cable ports. Step 3. Reconnect cables firmly. Fix 3. Try another input source. Step 1. Press input/source on the remote. Step 2. Switch to another HDMI or AV input. Step 3. Check if the screen works. Fix 4. Test with another device. Step 1. Connect a different device, DVD, laptop console. Step 2. Turn on the device. Step 3. Check if the white screen remains.